Wait, just start recording.
I'm recording already.
Oh, you are. Alright.
Alright, hold on.
Alright, it's gonna hit me in the face.
You can step further because then you can see it when it
Oh,
comes
okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Ready? Okay. Ready?
Ready as I'll ever be.
No, it's not it. It's only 40.
Holy shit.
Go to 60, go to 60!
Should we just go for it?
How high is it?
It's only 40.
Keep going,
50.
keep going. Just keep going.
Go to 60 PSI!
Go, pull!
Oh, pull!
Oh!
Where is it? Where is it?
Over there! We got a shot!
Ooh!